That's our same protein that makes our fingernails, our hair, the hooves and the horns on animals. And the way to think about it is, at the time, this is what they used for plastic. So a broom, a brush, a corset, an umbrella, fishing poles, these are what they were using to make it. And inside the whale's mouth is not this hard. When it dries out, it turns hard. And the whale's mouth is pliable. So they sort of just hop around here before they go to Canada. And then they go to Florida and Georgia.
Yo, Lenny.
They get it from the fish. The fish have chloride cells in their bodies, so they can absorb salt water through their skin, literally. The chloride cell lets them excrete salt, and then the whale gets their fresh water. It is, it's neat. That's copepods, or plankton, and that's what right whales eat, specifically. The other whales eat this, which eats that. So some whales feed right on that.